Hey, where are we in? Starting July. It's Canada Day, so everything's closed again. Back with the closing. Okay. Arriving is targeting. What's it called? Big Bird Egg Catch. A pretty good label. Sometimes I see these labels pretty blotchy. A lot of spots on them. But summer is going to be pretty tough. There's like a lot of things on the way, but they're really slow coming. So they're going to take at least 2 to 3 months to arrive. Plus, I'm getting more into figures now. So, starting Christmas, maybe December, I'll get into more toys, more Star Wars toys. So that's what's going on. Plus, I'm taking a break so I could get caught up to my visa this summer. So I don't have a whole lot for next year. I'm making one payment a month for the toys and games I'm picking up now. Not a big payment, so I got quite a lot into food, into snacks, quite a lot into chips and cookies. So I have to do a pop run, snack run every week, plus my lunch. And yeah, with lunch I have kielbasa. Finish my kielbasa, or Polish sausage, whichever sausage you buy, Italian sausage, Polish sausage. I had some hot dogs, but they're not really that good. And yeah, I'm taking about 4 months break, maybe 5 till December, till I'm caught up with my visa again. By then I should have everything arrived, because it could take up to 3 months even for some stuff. It's really bad, but I'll pick up on the Star Wars toys again when my visa is back to 0. I don't think I'm doing another loan unless it's for something larger, or some larger box that I might do down the line, or shelving. So I'll probably do a thrift store run, not till winter. I thought about going. I don't think I'll go this month. It's too hot, plus I don't want to pile up just random movies that I'll never watch, or I don't know what they are. That's not collecting for me, that's sporting. So you just end up piling everything in boxes, and right now I'm running out of shelving, so everything's getting stacked up. But other than that, everything's looking pretty good. And my chips and snacks are going to be the same all the time. And I did find some box sets, so I'm just really piling everything up what I can. And extras are on the side, just squishing the shelving as well, but I'm not sure if I will go to the thrift store this month or not. But if I don't, then I'll buy something online. So all the Atari games I added so far. A couple of rare ones are coming in, like Jawbreaker, MASH. I'm getting a couple others on the way. So I've added most of the summer games, winter games. And some odd ones in the back. Completed the Superman. And that's Police Academy. I would like to add 1 or 2 more Pearl Jam. I don't have a new album yet, but I'm not too worried about it. Could pick it up at the end of the year even. Completed the MacGyver, and I need to build up on The Exorcist. More from my notes, but if you're watching, thanks for watching. Completed most of the Rocky, finally. Down below is the Stargate, which I need to build up quite a few on. So I'll probably end up doing that next year. So I'm trying to get more horror movies and the cheap crap they have at the donation store that I will never watch. I don't collect that way. To me, that's considered hoarding. You're just piling up in movies that you don't know. And I'm building up on Smallville, and I'm building up on The Simpsons as well. I have Simpsons on the other shelving out there. Like another shelving out here. And I got at the side. I've got my Blu-ray stacked up, old random horror movies from like a couple years ago. And I got my Disney movies on this side. Just recently upgraded with new batteries for the TV. Pretty expensive. I can do one more shelving here. My fan going all the time. I've seen another fan on my phone now. But I'm not sure if I will get to go. Because I haven't seen nothing that I could pick up. And I just don't want to pick up garbage. I'm just wasting money, plus you have to pay for bus. Thanks for watching my movies and my NES. Started adding some. Thanks for watching. And a couple of changes. Some comics, so I had to get more into comic figures after. And I got a couple of figures on the way, and I'm trying to get more into Star Wars figures at the end of the year too, so thanks for watching. And I'll just make a room with the dolls after.